The X Series, designed to elevate the entire home with modern quiet ceilings, offers small aperture lighting for every room in the house. Collars provide a mounting surface for the trim and module and must be used during module installation. The Remodel Collar is flanged and designed for drywall use only. Mark the center fixture position on the drywall. Cut a 3 1/4 inch or 83 mm opening in the drywall. The remodel housing is compatible with ceiling thickness of 5/8 of an inch to 1.5 inches. Align the rotation tool onto the remodel collar and turn clockwise to hold it in place. Push the remodel collar with the rotation tool into the ceiling until it is secure. Using a 3/8 of an inch socket wrench, turn the rotation tool until the remodel collar is flush with the ceiling. Remove the rotation tool by unhooking it counterclockwise. Remove the cap cover from the module using a flathead screwdriver and set the cap aside. Connect the quick connect wires from the remodel cover to the module. When aligning the remodel collar, ensure that the orientation of the tab matches that of the opening on the module for a correct fit. Align and connect the remodel cover onto the module and secure it by tightening the factory installed screw. Replace the cap cover from the module onto the housing cover. For the adjustable module, follow the same exact procedure. Route the electrical wires. Place the housing into the ceiling opening. Align the trim onto the module and turn clockwise until secure. Place the module into the ceiling opening and press the trim up until it is flush with the ceiling. Push the module up until the retaining tabs click and engage with the collar. Using the built-in lever and slider, the adjustable module can be rotated and tilted to direct the light. Push on the slider to tilt. To rotate, hold the lever and rotate the module. Once the desired module position is achieved, lock the gray rotation lever to secure the module position. Align the orange indicator on the trim with the orange alignment indicator on the module. Push the trim into the module until it's secure.